Welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called Dalvik virtual machine. So before getting into the concept of Dalvik virtual machine, let's know what is the Java virtual machine. So the Java virtual machine, which is the modern one, what we have is designed for the high performance and also provides excellent memory management. But keeping in mind of low powered devices like smartphones or the mobile phones, we need to uh, optimize these kind of virtual machines. So here comes the concept of the Dalvik virtual machine. In short, we consider it as DVM, which is best suitable for the Android virtual machine. And this is the optimized version of a virtual machine, specially designed for the mobile devices. Okay. So it optimizes the virtual machine for the memory management, battery life, and also performance of the device. So coming to the basic introduction. So Dalvik is a name of a town in Iceland. And this particular Dalvik virtual machine is written by the Dan Bornstein. So how the process will be? So in order to have an optimized version of virtual machine and to have a high performance of a mobile device with respect to battery life and memory. So we have few steps where Java files are converted into .dex files, then they are converted into APK files. So we have a chart through which we can easily understand how the Java files are converted into .apk files, through which the performance can be high, battery can be managed, and the memory can be managed. Okay. So in order to do that, first the Java files need to be converted into DEX files. So if you see the first block, these are the .java files, which is nothing but the source code. Now these Java files are converted into class files or .class files using Java compiler. Okay. So generally, in short, we call it as Java C. So this Java compiler helps the source code or the .java files to convert into .class files. Now, once the converted .class files are found, this will be converted into .dex file or dex file, okay, using the dex compiler. So this dex is called as Dalvik executable compiler. Okay. Now coming to the .dex, once the .dex file has been converted, this will be converted using into AAPT packaging file, where AAPT packaging file is nothing but an Android assets packaging tool which handles packaging process. Once the packaging of that particular DEX file is done, then it will be converted into .apk file. Okay. So this particular package is now called as an .apk file, which is very much easy to execute in the Android operating system, which leads to an high performance, greater battery life, and good memory management. So this is the complete process. And coming to .apk, so this is an Android package kit. The full form of the .apk is Android package kit, which is nothing but our executable file for our Android operating system. So let's once again see the complete procedure. So in order to run the Dalvik virtual machine, so this general Dalvik virtual machine need an APK file for to have an optimized performance and better memory and battery life. Okay. So coming in order to have that particular APK file, first the Java files are converted into class files using Java compiler. Then the class files are converted into DEX file using DEX compiler. Then it will be converted into a packaging, which we call it as AAPT, where AAPT is considered as the Android Assets Packaging Tool, which is a packaging process. This particular package is considered as the .apk file. Now here .apk file is the executable file for the Android operating system, which is nothing but an Android package kit. So this is how the optimization is done using Dalvik virtual machine. Thank you.